Welcome. In this video I will show you how to open the hidden service menu on your Samsung The Frame TV. To do that, you're gonna have to use the combination of keys, the mute button, which is located right here under the plus sign, then up, down, OK, mute. So mute, up, down, OK, mute. Now let's try this. And in a couple of seconds you will see the service mode on your in the top left corner of your device's TV. To start using it, you have to change the hospitality mode to on. So to do so, press the right key of on your remote. If all the other options are absent, then just press the return button right here, and now you can navigate between these sections: power on, menu OS, DAM, music mode, external source, echo solution, and cloning. To select one of these sections, just press OK button, and then you can navigate in the same way in here. If you press return, you'll return to the main sections menu, and this way you can change everything you need on your computer. Then you can disable the hospitality mode by pressing OK on the hospitality mode and then a left button. And if you want to exit this menu, you're gonna have to turn off your PC by holding down the power button until the screen of your device goes off. Then just short press it once again to turn on your TV. Sometimes you have to wait for a couple of seconds before doing so. And once your TV turns on, you will no longer see any service menu on your screen. Then you can just press the home button and return to the home page. And that's basically it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.